Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. The KTM 690, it's amazing bike from the shelf, and we like it a lot because of its universality. But we prepared several aftermarket parts for this new facelifted 690 to make it even more convenient for the adventure riding and hobby-ready riding. Let me introduce you a highly practical storage kit for the KTM 690 Enduro and SMC. The storage kit consists of simple but highly practical plastic storage bin with volume of 6 liters and a small airbox. Very easily accessible, and you can store there many practical things like your raincoat, first aid kit, spare tube and tools. The small airbox is connected to the engine through the OEM flange. Here you can see the foam filter with a central lock, so it's very easy to change. Within the storage kit you get from us 2 foam filters and 1 dust cover. When designing the small airbox, we pay a lot of attention to maintain the same parameters for the engine as the OEM setup. It means the fuel-air ratio as well as the performance is the same as the OEM setup. With the RG storage kit for the KTM 690, you get very practical space right under your seat where you can store very useful things for your journeys. If you like it, please order on our eShop.